If you own a restaurant or any food processing business, food preservation is always your worst headache. Worry no more, since we have a complete solution for your problem in food preservation. Slightwind Cold Storage brand is a solution for all sorts of restaurants, cafeteria, and food stores that require long-term food storage ranging from 4.5 to 11 cubic meters in size for both freezers and standard cold storages. Therefore, Slightwind cold storages are suitable for any available space and various needs. Nguyen Phuong Company specializes in design and integration of cold storage shelves, including installation and maintenance. Slightwind cold storage installation is easy and quick. Some advantages of Nguyen Phuong's cold storage. Convenient for transportation and installation due to modular design. All Nguyen Phuong's storage equipment and components are designed in European standards to ensure durability and high degree of stability. The storage floor is designed for anti-slip and good strength in stainless steel. The light switch is integrated on the storage door. LED lighting system helps save electricity. The integrated refrigeration unit can operate in ambient conditions up to 43 degrees Celsius. Nguyen Phuong's cold storages come in different sizes, from 4.5 cubic meters to 11 cubic meters, for both freezers and standard cold storages. Suitable for all of your food storage needs. Suitable for food preservation in restaurants, hotels, fast food stores, etc. Don't wait any longer. Let us be your reliable partner. Quickly contact us to own a superior food preservation solution. Our contact hotline 091 912 0068 or 091 612 0068 or visit our website at www.slightwind.com.vn for free consultation and best prices.